Welcome back to the Algo Daily. In this particular video, we are discussing Leetcode daily challenge, number of ways to split array. We have given a in this problem we have given zero index array of nums of length n, and nums contain a valid split at index of I, and the following condition we have given here. So the following condition we have here is the sum of first I plus one element should be greater than or equal to the sum. Okay, and also we have given here at least one element of the right side is already present. Okay, and after this we have returning a valid splits. Okay, so now we have taking example. After example we have discussing their code and their time complexity. What the idea of this question is, basically we have given a nums array. Okay, we have given a nums array. After nums array we have performing a valid split of their array after this operation, like this should be this should be greater than or equal to the nums array, okay, of the sum, sorry. So if nums is here 10, 4, minus 8 and 7 is here, and after performing the operation we have find the split, number of ways to find the split. Okay, so here first we have calculate the total sum of this. The total sum of this is 10, 4, minus 8 and 7 is 15. The total sum is 15. And now what constraint we have given here? So constraint is 10 to the power 5 here. So we cannot use brute force solution. Brute force solution is basically 10 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 5. So the time complexity is exceed here, and we got TLE here. Okay, so that's why we cannot use brute force solution. So 10 to the power 5 solution we can use prefix sum for here. So now the first element is here is 10. After performing this operation, like sum minus prefix, okay, sum minus prefix here, let's suppose here is 15 is our sum, and now track. Okay, one thing is here, first we have our count is here and also our prefix. Okay, now our sum is 15 is here and count is 0 and also prefix is, let's suppose, 0 here. Okay, so the sum is 15 and now prefix is our 10. So now 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. So 5 is less than is equal to our prefix. Okay, 5 is less than is equal to 10. So that's why our count is increase here and the prefix is 10. Okay, so next iteration we have given here is 4, and we have adding with our previous prefix. So the total prefix is 14 here, and after this we have same operation performing here to sum minus our prefix value. So the sum minus prefix is here, sum is 15 minus 14 is equal to 1, and same thing is 1 less than is equal to 10, sorry, 14 here. So the count is equal to 2 here. Okay, and in our next iteration we have here is minus 8. So the 14 minus 8 is equal to 6, and after performing same operation, and here is 15 minus 6, and we cannot get this condition is satisfied for this condition because of we exceed our limit, and this is our 9. Okay, so the 9 is not greater than is equal to our prefix value. So the count is equal to 2 here, and one thing we have given here, like we cannot go with our last element. So that's why the right side element is already at least present one time. Okay, so the 7 is present here. 7 is present already here. We cannot traverse here because of n minus 1th position we have traversing here. So the code um, so the code operation of this code is, so first let one thing is here. So basically we have given a function here, and also we have uh, defining a left sum and right sum. The purpose of the left sum, keep track the cumulative sum of the left sub array and right sum, and this is our cumulative sum, and this right store the total sum of the entire array. Okay, total sum we have calculating here of the total sum is 15 here. So, and next we have to calculate our total sum here, and after this we have a count variable to uh, count the valid splits. Okay, and after this we have to the iteration of the indices of n minus 2 position, because of this is inclusive, and also we have avoiding at least, we have also given here to avoiding last index, avoiding last index. Okay, and also we have to, here is left sum is basically to update our sum, and right sum is remove the current element from the right sum after moving this. Okay, so the right sum is to remove the current element. Okay, so this condition is basically to increment our count because the valid split their condition. So this condition is validation condition. Okay, so after this we have returning our count. Okay, so this is the simple code of this solution, and the time complexity of this code is the right sum, and this right sum is O of n, and also we have iterating through our array, so this also be O of n. So the total time complexity is, O of n plus O of n is equal to O of n. So the time complexity of this is O of n, and same thing is the space complexity is O of 1, because of we have defining left sum and right sum. So this is the code optimization and the logic behind this code. So I hope you understand the logic and code solution. So thank you everyone.